Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to share your live location via satellite on iOS 18. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, scroll down through the list of apps and tap on Google Maps. In the Google Maps settings, tap on Location. Now select Always to ensure Google Maps has permission to access your location at all times, even when the app is not in use. Once that's set, go back to your home screen and open the Google Maps app. Now either select your current location or enter a new location in the search bar. This will set the place you want to share with someone. Next, tap on the arrow button to confirm your selected location. Now, change the map view by tapping on the map type and selecting Satellite to get a satellite view of your area. After that, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, tap on Location Sharing. Now tap on Share Location to start the sharing process. Finally, select the person or people you want to share your live location with. You can either choose someone from your contacts or send the location via a link. Now your live location is being shared, and they can track your movements in real time via satellite view. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.